Hello everyone, welcome to day 8 of grade 12 trial exam prep weeks. Today I'm doing the first 3 questions from question 7. This is from last year's November exam paper. It is a functions question, and as you can see there is actually an angle of inclination question in this paper, or in this question, which is traditionally a paper 2 topic, but it did come up in last year's paper 1. Now they're saying that they've given us the graph of f and they have given us the equation of this graph as well. So this equation is written in x-intercept form. That is important going forward. They're saying the parabola cuts the x-axis at B and D and the y-axis at point G, and then C is the turning point of F. Now these points are important for the questions that we're going to do today. So for 7.1 they're asking us to write down the coordinates of B and D. Now guys, if your equation is already written in x-intercept form like I have here, then you just need to write down the two x-intercepts from this equation. It's going to be -4 and +6. So B is going to be the point -4, 0, and D is going to be the point 6 and 0. We would get that if we were to make each of these brackets equal to 0 and then solve for x from there. The next question, they're asking us to calculate the coordinates of C. Now, C is the turning point of this equation. There are various ways in which you could do that, but the fastest way for us is going to be to find the value directly in between our two x-intercepts. So the one x-intercept is at -4 and the other x-intercept is at 6. There are 10 units in between these two x-intercepts altogether. So from -4 to 6, that's a very wobbly bracket. We have 10 units altogether. So halfway between -4 and 6, because it's 10 units, that would be at 5 units from -4 and 5 units from 6, which will be at x equals 1. Now to get the y value of the turning point, you're going to have to substitute it into the equation. So we're going to use 1 plus 4 instead of x plus 4 and 1 minus 6 instead of x minus 6. That is going to give us 5 times -5. So that is going to give us a value of -25. So the coordinates of C are going to be 1 and -25. So I can put that in on my picture here. Now for the range of f, we know that the range is the set of all y values. So these are going to be all y values greater than but also equal to -25. So the range of f, let me just move that up a bit. The range of f is going to be where y is greater than or equal to -25.